Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio46. Okay, so today I'll be reviewing Dan Clark Audio's Aeon 2 open back headphones. So as you guys know, it's been a while since I reviewed an open back headphone, so I'm actually excited to see if I really like this one. Alright, let's start. Dan Clark Aeon 2 open back headphones comes with the Aeon 2 headphones, detachable cable, case, tuning material, manual, and warranty. Dan Clark Audio updated the planar driver structure on these to improve precision and also refined the driver damping to enhance resolution and smoothen frequency response. Okay guys, so the design is pretty much the same as the ÆON Flow, but Dan Clark Audio actually based it on the motor tech of Ether 2. And other than that, I think in general, I find the design pretty cool and interesting. I like the color combination and the shape. I think it's light enough to wear it casually. But in addition, what I like the most about the design is that how it folds into this cute little bundle. So you can put it in this cute little case right here and pretty much carry it around anywhere you go very easily. So in terms of the fit, these sit very lightly on your head. What I really liked is the combination of these thin headband wire and the leather strap, because even when it sits very lightly on your head, it gives you the secure and comfortable feeling. So it's not that pressuring to your head. I'm just repeating myself, but it's basically light and comfortable and very secure. The ear pads were super comfortable after a long use too, but the only thing is the shape kind of extends up to your jawline, which I'm not really used to. But at the same time, I didn't find it necessarily uncomfortable. One last thing is that the adjustment for the headband is a little stiff, but at the same time, it really holds the headphones really firmly together, so I didn't have complaints about that. When it comes to genres like pop, the low end on these have presence and a great oomph, but honestly, when it comes to genres like hip-hop, I didn't feel like it was enough. As you guys all know, I'm a huge fan of very strong bass in the low end, so if you guys are like me, these might not be your favorite, only because it's not necessarily super lush and full and strong. But one thing that I liked was that the low end and the bass is not too overblown and it avoids leaning forward while being very well reserved and balanced. So I really like that part about it. And there is a sense of this tightness and warmness that especially sounded good with funk music. Okay, so the mids on these were not as luscious or full as like some of the closed back headphones for obvious reasons, but it still sounded very meaty. Just like the lows, the mids were very well balanced, especially with the upper mids never sitting too forward, so it really allowed the vocals to fall naturally within the mix. Another thing that I noticed is that there is this richness in the tone of the mid-range, so it kind of gave that extra silky layer over the vocals and Mariah Carey's warm honey voice, which I really enjoyed. Last thing is the separation between the sound of the instruments and the sound of the vocals were outstanding, especially considering that this is at this price range. So any tracks with acoustic guitar especially sounded nice with texture and definition. Okay, so there is a weight of the sound signature in the highs that highlighted the vocals very well. And like the mids in general, the highs were very velvety and soft while maintaining a solid level of transparency. Also, there is a good balance, definitely a good balance of crispness and softness, and at the same time, it didn't roll off at all. So in general, I was very satisfied with the highs. Okay, so the soundstage on these may not be as engaging or colorful as some of the other ether models, but you will still find a very precise sense of depth and a decent dimension. I also noticed that the soundstage was pretty spacious for this price range. My final thoughts. Okay guys, so I think in general, these really have a soft, smooth, and well-balanced sound profile. So if you guys are the types who listen to like pretty much every types of genres, or if you're looking for headphones that have a good balance between each frequencies or with all frequencies, I would definitely recommend it to you guys. And on top of that, again, I really like the fact that how it sits so lightly yet comfortable on my head, because I can't be walking around feeling like I gained extra pounds. Can't afford that. Anyway, so yeah, I would highly recommend these to you guys. Okay guys, that was it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed my review. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.